Alright, today we're going to do a raw photo edit using a lookup table. And what I did here is I right clicked on this raw image that was on my desktop and I went to open with and then Photoshop, and it'll bring up your camera raw. See here, ISO 100, 60mm f4. First thing I'm going to do is go into my presets here. Quick lens correction here. Again, this only works on raw, and then we go open. So I'm going to go to adjustments, color lookup. Go to load, and I've got the free one here. Open. There we go. This one's called movie film before and after. I'll put a link down below so you can download and try. And what I've done here is I've also loaded lookup tables into Photoshop. I do have a video. I'll put a link down below to that video. Go to the 160. That one's really nice. And down here I've got the Cinevision, but these are the pro version. Really cool. Alright, again, I'll put a link down below for the free version of this lookup table. I'll also put a link down below to our complete collection. Thanks for watching.